Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com. And about 2 weeks ago, I had created a video. It's here on the playlist, and I was sharing that I was doing direct mail offers to purchase more properties. So I was using offerstowners.com and submitting a direct offer to buy property from owners in a state and county that I was very familiar with in buying properties on. So in this video, I want to share with you the results of that first mailing and a couple strategies you can use to protect yourself as well from the hate mail that's going to come back your way. So when testing any area with direct mail, I would say you have to do about 2,000 to 2,500 offers to really determine if the value was there in using a certain service. And their minimum is 500. So we started with 500. We're going to send out the second 500 this week, and we're going to kind of do it in tiers here to make sure we're getting the proper results. But out of the first 500 mailings, 2 weeks in, I've got probably about 10 responses out of that so far. One commitment that we could purchase a property at a great deal. So technically, I'm whole and profitable at this point with the one deal, and roughly 9 people giving me a big F you and you're an insult and blah, blah, blah. So far, the service has worked. Now, I'm going to send out a total of 2,000 using offerstowners.com to really determine if we're getting good results with them or not. But right off the rip, we are profitable, assuming this one deal closes. All the paperwork's out. We're good to go. But as we all know in real estate, the deal isn't done until the deal is filed. So what we need to do now is set yourself up and protect yourself from all the angry mail you're going to get, or the angry responses, I should say, from your direct mail campaigns. Without a doubt, you're going to get the best purchases on real estate doing direct mail marketing. But it is aggravating, and in all fairness, nobody wants to get an insult offer, quote unquote. So here's how you protect yourself from getting the hate responses from clients from being a personal attack on you. First things first, get yourself a mailbox or a P.O. box. I have other videos on the playlist here showing how to set up a P.O. box. It's usually, I think it's $30 a quarter, super affordable for that. Next thing, get a separate phone number. I use a service called Vumber, VUMBER.com. It's $10 a month, and you get 2 phone numbers for that, and you just set up a voicemail system for that. So any return calls, they're not calling your personal phone, they're just calling a voicemail service that you had set up. So any return mail is going to your P.O. box and not your personal house, so they're not going to attack you personally. Any voicemail responses go to a voicemail service, not to your direct cell phone. And if you want to take it even a step further, I don't do this, but you can just set up a separate email address as well, so they're not blowing up your personal inbox as well. So keep business and personal separate to keep your mind straight and keep pushing forward on making these offers. And like I said, I've been in real estate since 2008, and I have bought bad lists and made over 600 calls to a bad list once and not a single deal. So if I was a newbie in the game, I would say this real estate thing is a bunch of nonsense and doesn't work, but you can occasionally invest in a bad list. So make sure you're sending about 2,000 to 2,500 offers on any service you use to make sure it does work in all fairness, and then you can go ahead and scale from there. So we're sending out our second 500 this week. I will post results on that, and we'll continue attacking with direct mail offers to this one county before we shift counties and start on our next area. So be sure to tap that subscribe button, comment below with any questions you may have about the land investing business, and as always, stop by the landflippingformula.com. Links will be in the description below, and you can learn more about how you could start your own land investing business today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one.